the strut top bolts are loose, like loose. So yeah, note to self, a nut and bolt check in the rear, also check the front. I wonder what else is wrong. Yeah, I just ripped it down the street and it's fast. Kind of surprised me how quick it is. But she's idling, she's cruising. I drove her up and down like 4 or 5 times. The fan is on, so we're testing the cooling at the same time. So yeah, you can see 90 degrees Celsius coolant temp. This fan is going pretty hard. And she's idling away, man. Like, she's maintaining that coolant temperature. She is a rocket ship. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record any in-car with this camera, but hopefully the GoPro footage is enough. Yeah, I'm so keen to get this buttoned up now and hammer on it, like really hard. That is its maiden voyage. Sorry if I'm yelling. That was very loud. Pardon? Yeah. 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 So, yeah, it's pretty wild. Yeah, long time coming. Long time coming. It's actually kind of terrifying, but yeah. Oh, I'm like shaking. The adrenaline was wild then. A year ago, I uploaded the first YouTube video on this project. And since then, we've gone from a non-running car to being able to jump in, rip on it around the block, and actually drive it. Like, blows me away that we're here, but I'm so proud of myself. I think I can be proud of myself. You know, obviously a lot of people have helped me get here. I'm very thankful for everyone that does watch these videos and has helped in some way or another, whether it's emotionally, physically, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I'm just excited to see what the next year brings. Hopefully there's some driving videos, more driving videos of this thing cruising around. I hope to jump on some rallies. We've got a lot planned for this car. There's still a lot to do. I have so much spaghetti to wire up, but we're going to get there. In saying that, that's the end of this video. I hope you all stick around for the next year, 2 years, however long we're going to be on this godforsaken planet. And anyway, have a good day.